Some equipments around us have an existing high-pressure hoses installed for a specific purpose of operation, like hydraulic hose for our car engine, high pressure for car washing, and high-pressure hose for tire inflation. The existing pressure that flow on the hose will need a good hose fitting tightness to avoid any leakings. On this problem, will be solved on buying a manual hydraulic hose crimper to have a quick maintenance of machinery operation, and to save money and energy on traveling other location for hose crimping services. This is the manual hydraulic hose crimper. It is a normal assembly of one-size crimping die for ferrule hose fitting that commonly used to our specific equipments. It equip also with 2 pieces round bar for extra torque while crimping the ferrule hose fitting. This is also the size of ferrule hose fitting, that match correctly with this crimping die assembly of this manual hydraulic hose crimper. Always remember that this manual hydraulic hose crimper is good only for any small hydraulic or high-pressure hose assembly. But there are also some expensive hydraulic hose crimper that can be automatic power-driven, and has a complete sizes of crimping die set for a different high-pressure hose sizes. The advantage of using this hydraulic hose crimper is to ensure the tightness, to have a safe connection between any fittings connector and hoses. The steps on how to crimp the high-pressure hose properly. 1. Prepare the high-pressure hose, and cut on desired length. Be sure that you cut the hose to have an even surface on end part of the hose. 2. Inspect, or clean the hose interior and exterior for better tightness of ferrule hose fitting connection. 3. Select the proper size of ferrule, and insert over the end of the hose tip. The ferrule must be fully inserted on the hose. Use also any lubricants, if the ferrule cannot fully inserted in the hose. 4. Then, insert also the desired type of hose connector with correct size for the hose diameter. The connector must be fully inserted on maximum into the hose for better grip and tightness. 5. Pick up the manual hose crimper, and put the hose with ferrule into the correct size of crimping die set. Anyway, we have only one size of crimping die assembly on this manual hydraulic hose crimper. 6. Align properly the ferrule into the crimping die, so that the ferrule surface will be crimp evenly. 7. Rotate the crimper screw with the round bar, until we experience a hard rotation. Use the other round bar to continue a rotation, and give extra force of crimping the ferrule, until it reach to a maximum crimping limits on specified tightness. 8. Loose the crimping die to release the hose with compressed ferrule. 9. Finally, remove the hose, and inspect the compression status of ferrule, including the tightness on connection. This high-pressure hose is ready to use if everything was done correctly. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and follow to my channel, Knowledge Link Information. I don't really